Lap number 108. There's a 2002 Sterling M8500 bucket truck. This one has a 5.9 liter Cummins engine with only 67,000 miles. The motor sounds good. It's been running for well over an hour. Has not overheated, idles smooth, revs up nice. Automatic transmission engages and AC blows cold. Let me get close to the engine so you can hear it. Rev it up. The motor sounds good. It revs up nice. It idles smooth. The automatic transmission engages. This fiberglass body part here shows some cracks. The hood looks good, but right where it closes, it shows some cracks. Passenger side looks good. Let me close the hood. The truck looks nice and straight. The paint looks faded. Tires look good. Utility box looks good. All the cabinet doors appear to be in good shape. The whole unit back here is made by Baker, and all the model numbers are included in our pictures, so make sure you look at all the pictures. This truck was put out of service because it has rust issues on the boom. And I noticed over here, it's got a bad rust spot. Maybe hard to see with this mesh, but it's got rust holes right there on the boom. The truck runs good, the motor sounds good. Transmission engages and AC blows cold. Tires look good. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The bench seat on the passenger side is torn. Driver's seat looks good. AC is blowing cold. All the gauges appear to be working fine. Working conditions of the boom are unknown. Being sold as is. All right, there you have it. It's a Sterling, 2002 Sterling M8500 with the 5.9 Cummins engine. It runs, it drives, it's got cold AC. It's lot number 108. Lot number 108. Good luck.